Picture this, you're just 10 minutes out from a big client meeting and all you got are messy Word docs and a bunch of scattered notes. But instead of freaking out, you can instantly turn that rough text into a slick professional slide deck. No manual design needed. Let's have a look at how it works. All right, everyone, you want to make that presentation stand out, but you don't have the resources and you're thinking, what am I going to do? Well, don't stress. We're going to show you how to turn your PDFs and Word docs into something truly impressive. We'll instantly convert them into well-structured layouts, creating a ready-to-go presentation while being super efficient. It's a real lifesaver that will really wow your audience. As you can see, you can polish your presentation with Docky. You can just go ahead and tell us your idea. With Docky, you can jump straight into a presentation simply by talking to the interface. Just make natural, structural tweaks. I'll drop my doc here or use the menu, then talk to it like ChatGPT. Use the menu or make precise changes. You can do that to describe things to the AI, and then you can generate data visualizations, maybe create data diagrams that make your business content more convincing. And you can also add interactive features, 3D models, animations, and hover effects to really make your presentation stand out. And here we can see all the different themes we've got. The reason I like this is because these tools generate a matching speech for your slides at the same time, so it saves you even more time. You can upload your own company templates. The system just automatically adapts the presentation to match your brand. So here we can see the cover page, the executive summary. This is all looking good. The key metrics, and we can see the challenges, the blockers, the opportunities, all that sort of thing, everything we need, and even the final conclusions. On the left-hand side, we can see all the information. And we can see the outline here. If I want, I can go ahead and share this, but I don't exactly have to do that. We can see all the information, the scale, the details here, and I know it's going to look absolutely brilliant. Look how awesome this looks. Now I just give it some general instructions. So I can edit this by coming over to the left-hand side here and just talking to it like I would with an LLM, a large language model, and then it sorts everything out. So boom, I've got North Star Consulting. I've got all my information here. Check it out. Got the momentum. This is looking absolutely amazing. This is looking great. Even the foundations. Everything's looking absolutely spot on here. There's not much left that I'd need to do. Then I can just hit AI rewrite and I can go to a prompt and type anything I want. If I want to rewrite things, I can. So I can add 3D models, animation, the hover effects. I can get it to rewrite as well. Just tell the AI what you want rewritten and it'll sort it out. If you want it longer, shorter, to sound more business-like, or just want to tailor it to your audience, this is the best way to go about it. So Docky is how you can do that right here. I can go ahead and if I want to insert images or a graph, I can do that here. So this is looking really, really good. And now we can see all the recommendations it has here. So we can see how this looks, and if I just want to tidy up the diagram and say what to do, this does it for me right here. If I want to have a different type of graph in here, I can do that. So you can see the animation here, the entrance, having it come in advance with collision, with 3D models, with code art. Boom. What I like is you just make the 3D model here and we're just going to zoom in. Look how awesome this looks. We can also see the inserts, the entrance, automatically or with a custom entrance, how that would work with pages. Makes it really, really easy to do. Even if I want to add text animations, it's possible. Even the data right here, I'm going to do that. The original, the count, the chart glow, and then I just go ahead and generate it. So now it's working, it's thinking, and we're having a look here. So the onboarding, the operations, the hiring, this isn't just your average slide. This isn't just your average thing in PowerPoint or whatever it is. This looks absolutely amazing right here. And we can see, the onboarding, the operations, the hiring, all of this as I'm clicking through here. So I can go ahead, click on Q3 operations, say Northbridge Consulting. We've got all the animations here. We've got everything. And then if you want to change something, you just do it on the side menu, just like you would with an AI or an LLM. And here we can see all of the text. Say you don't have slides, you can just use the text and make it look really good. You're sick of stressing over a last-minute presentation, all you need is the text. Just pop it in here, give the AI a command, and watch it work its magic, just like it's doing here for the Q3 operations. I can even change the car. I can animate the text. I can do everything, and then I can just go ahead and play it. Makes it really, really simple. Check this out. Key metrics, challenges, blockers, scale. Ever seen a presentation this good? You gotta see this. That was the presentation. It looks absolutely amazing. Better than anything I'd make. Now, I can just go ahead and export it if I want. I can save the project if I need to, or I can go ahead and share it with multiple people. Say I want to share it with some team members, and I even get a link just like I would with Google. I can download it as a PDF, PowerPoint, PNG, all that sort of thing. It's really, really simple and easy to do. So if you're sick of stressing over last-minute presentations, check out the link in the description. Streamline your workflow for your next million. I reckon you'll be absolutely impressed. And that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy it. If you really enjoyed watching this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button for the channel and leave a comment below.